What is going on, guys? Jack here, and welcome your beautiful, amazing faces back to my YouTube channel. And just before we jump into today's video, guys, if you could drop a like on this video, that would be very, very much appreciated. And if you've not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never ever miss out on a future upload. Now, basically, guys, I'm just going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to make a professional thumbnail very, very easily within Photoshop, using Google Images, using absolutely everything you can think of just to make a professional thumbnail. So let's just jump straight into this, guys. We're just going to go onto Google and we're going to find a decent image, right? Basically, I'm going to base this off a Call of Duty thumbnail. So what we're going to go for? We're going to go for... shall we go for... I know what we'll go for. We'll go for Black Ops 2. So basically what you want to do is type in Black Ops 2 map, images, and you just pick a random map like this. There we go. So we'll save the image, Turbine, thank you very much. And then we're going to go over to File, Open, and then we're actually going to find the image we have just saved. There it is. We'll open that up. Now basically what we're actually going to do here, we're just going to add a little bit of filter. So we're going to go over to filter, we're going to add a little bit of a blur. Now basically you can get field blur. Now this is going to make it like really, really blurred. You're going to make it out a little bit. So if we turn the blurriness down a little bit like that, there we go. We'll click OK on that. And it's going to load up like that. There we frickin' go. It looks sick. Oh, right, can I? Right, there we go. So if we get inner glow, and we want, we'll go oh wait, no, we don't want that. We want inner glow. There we go. Opacity, like that. We'll go for like an orangey glow. We'll go for an orangey glow and see what that does. It kind of looks alright, to be fair, guys. Like if you do it full opacity, it's going to be like that. To be fair, that doesn't look good as well. Do you know what? We'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. I don't think we need outer glow because outer glow's not really going to do anything. Stroke we don't need. Drop shadow we don't need. So we'll go for that right now. Now basically all I've done though is added like a little bit of a glow around the bottom and the sides and a little bit on the top just to give it that bit more edge. Now obviously we're going to need a gun. We're definitely going to need a gun. So if we go to guns, transparent. Black Ops 2 guns transparent. Do we go for the DSR? I don't think we should we? Oh, the ray gun. Should we go for the ray gun? We'll just pick a random gun. What looks good. Now, of course you've got... that's not Black Ops 2. That's not Black Ops 2. That's Black Ops 2. Oh, this is hard, man. This is really, really hard. How about we type in MP7? I really, really like the MP7. MP7. There we go. Now we've got an MP7 reloading. Exactly what we want. Exactly what we want, guys. Did I save that? Save image as. There we go. MP7 reloading. So we want to hop back over to Photoshop. We want to go to place. Now you don't want to open again because that's just going to open a new window. Now you really want to click place. And then we're going to find the MP7 image really, really quickly. Really quickly. Where's it going? Hello, MP7. I can't find you. There we go. Now, you don't really want it the full page long. Like, you do when you don't. Like, we'll make it about there. That'll do for now. And then we're going to hop over to that again. We're going to double click at the side. And we're going to actually go for outer glow on this one. And we're going to go for inner glow. So we'll go for the orange glow again to see what that looks like. Basically, what the glow is doing on the sides, the bottom, and the top is basically blending in with the weapon with the outer glow. So that's pretty decent. Inner glow as well. We'll have some inner glow. We'll kind of make it a little bit lighter though. We won't go as dark on the inner glow. And you want to do it to about there. Then you want to turn the opacity down to about 50%. Just to give it that edge, man. That looks sick. That really, really does look sick. Now, if you add stroke, it just looks absolutely amazing, especially with the black stroke as well. If you had white stroke, like I'll show you right now, it looks nowhere near as good. Like, it looks good, but the black stroke just looks absolutely amazing. In my personal opinion, though, the black stroke does look amazing. You want to go for a bit of a drop shadow, and we're going to go Is that taken away? Actually, no, the drop shadow actually does look good. We'll keep the drop shadow there. You can do whatever size drop shadow you want. This is just an estimate, really. We'll go for 0 on the angle scale. We'll click OK. And then we're actually just going to get the Black Ops 2 logo. Call of Duty Black Ops 2 logo. Simple. And we're going to go for... Should we go for... Yeah, we'll go for that one. That one looks pretty good. We're going to go for that. And then we're going to go to File, Place Again. And then we're going to find the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 logo. There we go. And we're going to move that to about there. To about there. You want to click that, click place, and then you want to move that actually behind the MP7. So the MP7 is in front. It just makes it look that little bit better. And then we're going to add some text. Now, of course, if we go to text right now, Overdrive Sunset, we're going to do MP7. MP7 crazy. We'll just do some mad stuff here. We'll Control T to change the size. And we're going to do that. Apply the changes, and we're going to double click it again. We're going to go to Gradient Overlay, change it to the orange. I'm going to show you something really cool now, guys. Oh, when it loads, there we go. And then you want to go to Inner Glow. Then you really want to go to the highest yellow you can. And then you want to go to size, and you want to... We'll do it about there. That looks absolutely amazing right there. That really does look amazing. Outer Glow will have... should we say black? Well, I don't think black will do anything. No, black's not really going to do anything. Alright, we'll forget Outer Glow for now. We'll just click Drop Shadow. Standard Drop Shadow will do me. I'm not really bothered. That standard Drop Shadow looks good. And then what you really want to do then is duplicate the layer. That we go to the copy. And then you just want to move it up that little bit to make it kind of look 3D. It just gives it that 3D effect. And I think it looks amazing, guys. It really, really does. And then you just want to duplicate the layer again for some more text. You want to move that down. And then we're going to double click that. And then we're just going to put gameplay. And then we're going to change the color of the font. Just to make it that little bit extra. And it just gives it that little bit of an edge as well. So we're going to go for that. Actually, no. We shouldn't have changed that really. Right, there we go. So we want to go for like a whitish color. On the secondary color, we want to go for like a grey. It just looks amazing. It really, really does just look amazing. So if we take the inner glow off, take the inner glow off like that, and actually no, we will have inner glow, and we're just going to make it a whitish color, like that, and then we're going to duplicate the layer again, and then we're just going to move it up, try to give it that little bit of 3D of effect, and there we go, guys. That is basically how to make a simple but professional Photoshop thumbnail for your Call of Duty videos, Battlefield videos, Fortnite videos, any videos you like making on your channel, guys. It really, really is really, really easy to make a thumbnail. No joke. I'm definitely going to be playing some more Black Ops 2 on my channel as well. Well, some more. I'm really going to be playing some Black Ops 2 leading up to Black Ops 4. But the Black Ops beta is out first. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed. If you have, be sure to smash the like if you want to see more of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Peace.